What is SpringBoot? SpringBoot is basically Spring module and Java-based Spring framework used for rapid application development. What are the advantages of using SpringBoot? Easy to understand and develop Spring applications, minimum configuration and increases productivity and reduces development time. What are the SpringBoot key components? There are 4 key components of SpringBoot: SpringBoot Auto Configuration, SpringBoot CLI, SpringBoot Starter Palms, and SpringBoot Actuators. What is Spring Initializer? Spring Initializer is a web application that helps you to create an initial SpringBoot project structure and provides a Maven or Gradle file to build your code. What are the most common SpringBoot CLI commands? Run, test, grep, jar, ward, install, uninstall, --init, shell, help. What does the @SpringBoot application annotation do internally? The @SpringBoot application annotation is equivalent to using @configuration, @enable auto configuration, and @component scan with their default attributes. SpringBoot enables the developer to use a single annotation instead of using multiple. What are the features of SpringBoot? Web development and Spring application. These are the features of SpringBoot. What are the SpringBoot properties? SpringBoot provides various properties which can be specified inside our project's application. Properties file and properties are used to set values like server port number, database connection configuration, etc. What is SpringBoot Actuator? SpringBoot provides Actuator to monitor and manage our application. Thanks for watching video.